Good morning, everybody. Just got a little 1 yard pour here, pouring a pad for this new house in a crawl space. Either putting like water heater or HVAC system on it, a bowl. A little bit overcast this morning, but pretty warm. Feels like summer. About a half hour away from the yard. Get done with this one, get back to the yard, I'd come right back to the same area for the next load. Subdivision along Lake Huron. Always building in here. Already. Quick little 1 yard pour. That's all we're going to have for you on this one. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you all have a great day. Scrape my chutes down real quick. Take care, y'all.